And now to a Contact 7 story we've been staying on top of since Monday. Residents in an Englewood apartment complex have been without heat and hot water for 10 days now. And now their biggest concern is how they'll stay warm with these cold temperatures and snow moving in. Denver 7's Connor Wish shares the timeline we followed to get to this point and how Denver 7 is working to get results.
That's the hot water. It's cold.
Larry George is one of the first people Contact 7 spoke with at the Golden Nugget apartment complex. Residents have had no hot water and no heat for more than a week.
I've seen it happen before, but never to this length.
We contacted SKM Management, the property owner, and they told us the original contractor fell through to fix the boiler that had exploded. They said they would get a permit Tuesday and then hopefully have the gas turned on by Wednesday after a pressure test. However, when we checked yesterday, the gas was still not turned on.
No heat, no hot water, not being able to shower.
Today, the waiting game continued.
Just really sucks.
Frosted windows from this morning's cold start is just the beginning of what's to come with a winter storm moving in.
It's gonna be really cold, and it's gonna even get colder in the apartment.
We went to the leasing office to get answers for when the apartment's boiler will be fixed. Multiple knocks. No answer, and sometimes someone peeking out the window.
We're trying to get in touch with the management company.
After we walked away, the leasing manager came outside but quickly ran back into her office, locking the door.
It is heartbreaking and totally unacceptable.
State Representative Jeff Bridges represents District 3, where the apartments are located. He reached out to Xcel Energy, who sent someone over to check out the problem. Turns out SKM is in charge of replacing the exploded boiler before Xcel can turn on the gas.
The story of the weekend is the weather, the temperature dropping, and these folks need to have heat.
In Englewood, I'm Connor Wish, Denver 7.
And we have been overwhelmed by the amount of viewers wanting to help these residents out. Some have offered space heaters, money, and even plumbing services. And because of our stories, this afternoon, the complex began providing space heaters to residents without heat and hot water while the problem is still being fixed.